So the year that I chose to pick and research on is 1903, and these are the 1903 inventions. First, let's start off with the art movement of the 21st century. So it was modern art, which basically means it is the creative response to new lives and technology advances. The first invention that I want to speak about is the invention of Crayola crayons, and they were invented in 1903, and the first pack actually only came in 8 colors, and they were about a nickel a box. So one of the reasons that I particularly think that this invention did an impact on the art movement of the 20th century is simply the fact that it gave a new ability to create art. It made it much more child friendly. It opened the possibility of just art being created at such a young age and improving the mind of little ones, and to open the mind into an artistic value, and it became so innocent and pure. And I think that's one of the great inventions that happened in 1903, because without Crayola crayons, a lot of kids would not have that medium of art to showcase. Another particular invention and event, this goes hand in hand, is the gas-motored airplane that was produced by the Wright brothers. In 1904, they were able to create a gas-motored airplane, and in that same year, around the end of the year, around December of 1903, they actually set out and flew the airplane about a little bit, and I think this in particular allowed the movement of art to transcend. It was a new way of transportation. So I think without this particular invention and discovery, art wouldn't be able to be as accessible as it is now. Ford Model A. The Ford Model A is one of the earliest models that Ford came out with, and it was produced in 1903, and there's very, very few of them. And in particular, this one I think is much more just for a general sense of, again, transportation. It allowed the movement to transcend. It allowed the movement to move. It gave people the ability to travel, to get new muses, to see more, to really see the advancement in the new life, in people going to work all over the country, people moving places from country to country, or to one side of the country to the other, and it really provided them a new way to be exposed to new landscapes, to new way of life, to really enhance their art and the way that they perceived the world around them. And these are my last three references that I use to find information on the crayons. And if you guys want to read up more on the examples that I gave, the links are there. So yeah, thank you.